my channel, and I'm Nora Crystal, and today we are going to play Among Us. I'll be playing to be the crewmate. Yes, crewmate win! I didn't do anything but why crewmate win. Anyways, I think the imposter left the game. And also guys, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also, say something in the comment section down below. Yeah, and thank you guys so much. So we're going to be only playing to be the crewmate. Be a crewmate is kind of fun too. But it's kind of a lot of stuff because we can kill the people. But we still can doing some tests, also see who is the imposter. Yeah. MC start. Okay, please start right now. Everyone is going to be leave the game again. Come on, do it. Come on. When the game is okay, the game is going to start. I hope that I'm be the crewmate. If I am imposter, maybe I just get lost. I don't know anyway. If I am the imposter only, I'm get the imposter. I'm just gonna try to kill people, but I hope that I always be in the crewmate. Okay, because this video is for the crewmate, right? Okay, so yes, I'm crewmate. So there's a one of Among Us in one of the imposter in Among Us. Why everyone left the game? Okay, let me see the test. I am gonna go to the reactor right now. Okay, reactor time. It's kinda hard for me. No, I get it wrong. Okay, yes! That was so hard actually. Okay, let's go to the electric. No, the oxygen. Go to the oxygen. Go to the oxygen right now. Right. Oh god. Go to the oxygen. Right now. Okay, so 4, 8, 6, 3, 2, and okay. Okay, I handle this with other friend. Let's go back to the electric. Also, we have to doing fishing the wearing, download data, and lower imaging. Okay, being the crewmate is kind of fun too. Okay, do it. Do it. I hope the imposter not gonna kill me too fast. Okay, the test is still working because I'm still doing a test and not faking tests. Yes, the test is going to be finishing soon. Wow, why the imposter didn't kill anyone yet? Or we didn't see it? Okay, let's start with who can going to wait, someone did? Who is it? Orange. Why orange? I'm gonna say where and why orange. That was impossible because orange was with the Y. I think Y is lying. I'm gonna vote Y because Y is the one lying. Why you lying? Why you lie us? Why you lie to everyone? No. Oh, I'm so dumb. Anyways, we did win. Yeah. Anything we did win. I didn't know. Sorry, why? Anyways, we're waiting to the another round. Yay. Okay, please crewmate. Yes, I'm crewmate. So I didn't even die yet to be the crewmate. Let me see where the test. Oh, I'm gonna do a test in the med bay. Take a break in a few more seconds. Oh, imposter did just kill people already? Who did it? Who did it? Brown. Bro. Everyone said brown. Oh, it's real. Yeah. Why we will win by imposter leaving? Anyway, we didn't win. Everyone is so smart. Waiting for the next round for the crewmate. Okay, another round. No, why am I the imposter? Aww. It's kinda hard to kill people. Oh no, because the imposter is only me. Oh, and I just said that I'm going to be only crewmate. And why I am this scared of this. Hi, Brown. What's up? Wendy. Hello. I want to die. With me. With me. Yeah, with me, yeah. Yeah, it's me. It's me, with me. It's me, with me. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Please vote me and not sorry. Please vote me, okay? So, please vote me. Me. Please vote me. Yeah, it's me. I'm trolling the people. Oh my god, I'm the admin. I can kick people. Then, yeah. Wow. It's me. That's why I vote me. Okay, thanks for voting me. Yes, finally everyone voting me. Yes. Oh my god. Everyone, thanks for voting me. Oh my god, I feel kinda dumb. Why you say? Because I recording video only crewmate. because I only recording video about crewmate. Recording. So thanks for avoiding me. So thanks for avoiding me, guys. Thanks for avoiding me. Okay, so I think this is the last because in all the crewmate round, we actually didn't lose because also everyone's smart and about me is dumb head. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Yes, the last part. I am the crewmate. I love to be crewmate. Everyone just leave the game though. Let me see. Oh my god, my test is not here. Oh my god. Let me gonna go. Oh my god, my test is in the Oxy 2, the storage. Let me go to storage. Do it before the station. Wait, why you put the name Nora 1? I think why Popo is following me. Why Popo is following. Okay. Popo, why are you following me? Popo, why are you following me? Popo, why are you lying me? Popo, you did just following me. And my name is Nora. Your name is Nora 1? Yeah. I don't care because in the world have more name Nora. Okay. Popo. Guys, don't lose the imposter. No. You guys will pay off this. Yes. Who killed you? Who killed you? I'm from Korean. Okay guys, so I'm from Korean actually. Yeah, also I'm making a Korean video too because I'm from Korea, so I'm okay. I'm from Korea. Look at my vehicles, it's so fast. Maybe I only lost this one. Yeah, and okay, so I think that's our video today. If you're guys enjoying and want to see more video, make sure to click the subscribe button and like button. Also say something in the comment section down below. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. And see you guys in the next video. So bye. Bye.